Hello adventurers, today we're diving into the world of outdoor relaxation with the Travel Chair Ultimate Slacker. A quick folding tripod stool with a backrest that's perfect for your next fishing, camping, or hiking trip. This chair is designed for comfort, featuring a larger seating area with UV-resistant and padded Ripstop polyester, ensuring you can relax in nature's beauty without a worry. Weighing only 4.25 pounds and measuring a compact 4 by 4.5 by 30 inches when closed, this portable seat is a breeze to carry, thanks to its integrated close and carry strap. Despite its lightweight design, the Ultimate Slacker is incredibly durable, supporting up to 250 pounds with its oversized grommets, thick feet, large rivets, and reinforced fabric at stress points. Proudly crafted by a family-owned U.S. brand since 1984, Travel Chair is committed to delivering products that are both easy to use and built to last. Whether you're hiking through the mountains or enjoying a day by the lake, this chair is your perfect companion for taking a well-deserved break. So, gear up and make your outdoor adventures more comfortable with the Travel Chair Ultimate Slacker. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.